Alright, what up, y'all? So, finally about to get started on this. About to go for one last drive. Got to run to a couple stores, pick up some parts. But just picking up some stuff so I can go ahead and get this harmonic balancer put on because it's still squeaking. You can't really hear it now, but after about, I don't know, 20 minutes of being running or whatever, it'll get back to just squeaking like crazy how it was before. So, about to go ahead and pick up some tools and probably get started taking stuff apart this afternoon. I still got some other parts that's not here yet, so it'll be a few days before I can get all of that. But I'm gonna at least get started taking stuff apart. So yeah, one quick drive and then we can get started. Every time I get in here, I forget that I got a red headlight on now. It's like, you really, when you're in the car, alright, let's just say, you're looking around, this is really about as far up as you see anywhere. So most of the time, it don't even hit me. I gotta actually look up before I see that, but pretty dope. See, I think you can hear the squeaking now, but yeah, I gotta get that fixed. Alright, so back. Car drove fine. Didn't start taking anything apart today. Ended up having to go to more stores than I wanted to and ordering some stuff. So I got can we see? All right, so had to get some wrenches to be able to get those where am I? There I go. That right there. That line off of the power steering or whatever. So had to get some wrenches that'll be able to fit that and be able to, you know, kind of reach in there real good to get those loose, get that out. I got an impact gun, got another torque wrench, because the torque wrench I had does not go up to 240, which is what you need for the harmonic balancer bolt. So had to get that. I got a bunch of impact sockets and all of that good stuff. So yeah, so we'll start to tear down in a couple days, I guess. Oh yeah, and another thing is I finished that painting that I was talking about the other day, so came out pretty dope. Something different, like I said. I'm trying to learn how to paint a little bit in the midst of doing all of this car stuff, so take some indoor hobbies or whatever. But yep, so let me know what y'all think, and stay tuned for when the actual teardown starts. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one.